The text suggests an activity to understand the properties of which scientific phenomenon? A. Sound waves. B. Gravity. C. Magnetism. D. Light refraction. The correct answer is C. Magnetism. When rubbing the bar magnet on the nail in activity 2, what should be kept constant? A. The speed of rubbing. B. The direction of the pole. C. The pressure applied. D. The temperature. The correct answer is B. The direction of the pole. If you apply an effect to a single chart on a slide, what is it called? A. A video transition. B. A slide animation. C. A slide transition. D. An audio effect. The correct answer is B. A slide animation. What feature did Archaeopteryx possess that is characteristic of birds? A. Wings with feathers. B. Scales. C. A streamlined body for swimming. D. Gills. The correct answer is A. Wings with feathers. What does a gene mutation involve at the molecular level? A. Changes in carbohydrate structure. B. Changes in nitrogenous bases. C. Changes in amino acid sequence directly. D. Changes in lipid composition. The correct answer is B. Changes in nitrogenous bases. If a mirror is used to focus light from a large area into a small spot, it is functioning as A. Convex mirror. B. Plane mirror. C. Diverging mirror. D. Concave mirror. The correct answer is D. Concave mirror. What is the primary role of the hormone that leads to increased heart rate and sweating in a stressful situation? A. To conserve energy. B. To prepare the body for fight or flight. C. To lower blood pressure. D. To increase digestion. The correct answer is B. To prepare the body for fight or flight. Dr. G. Rajlakshmi is listed as an assistant professor in which department? A. Zoology. B. Physics. C. Botany. D. Chemistry. The correct answer is C. Botany. What happens to pure ethanoic acid on cooling? A. It solidifies into ice-like flakes. B. It becomes a gel. C. It crystallizes into sugar-like granules. D. It vaporizes. The correct answer is A. It solidifies into ice-like flakes. What are synthetic polymers made from? A. Animal products like crabs and spiders. B. Plant networks like lignin. C. Raw materials from petroleum, oil and gas. D. Natural fibers like coconut. The correct answer is C. Raw materials from petroleum, oil and gas. Which of the following is an example of an inorganic compound? A. Carbon monoxide. B. Chalk. C. Ammonia. D. Methane. The correct answer is B. Chalk. What happens when a stone is thrown into a pool of still water? A. It changes the water's color. B. The water evaporates. C. The water freezes. D. It produces waves. The correct answer is D. It produces waves. Which of the following describes the moon's atmosphere? A. It has a thick atmosphere. B. It has a nitrogen-rich atmosphere. C. It has a thin atmosphere. D. It has no atmosphere of its own. The correct answer is D. It has no atmosphere of its own. What are the two layers of the coelenterate body wall called? A. Epidermis and dermis. B. Ectoderm and endoderm. C. Endoderm and epidermis. D. Mesoderm and ectoderm. The correct answer is B. Ectoderm and endoderm. What is found within the cones of gymnosperms? A. Ovules and pollen. B. Sporangia and spores. C. Spores and seeds. D. Flowers and fruits. The correct answer is B. Sporangia and spores. Who proposed the law of periodicity? A. Robert Boyle. B. Anton Lavoisier. C. John Dalton. D. Dmitry Mendeleev. The correct answer is D. Dmitry Mendeleev. Which elements are included in the second period? A. Potassium to krypton. B. Sodium to argon. C. Lithium to neon. D. Hydrogen to helium. The correct answer is C. Lithium to neon. Which subatomic particles revolve around the nucleus? A. Electrons. B. Protons. C. Protons and neutrons. D. Neutrons. The correct answer is A. Electrons. When a ray of light passes from a denser medium to an optically rarer medium, how does it bend relative to the normal? A. It travels along the normal. B. It does not bend. C. It bends towards the normal. D. It bends away from the normal. The correct answer is D. It bends away from the normal. Which animals utilize lungs for respiration? A. Vertebrates. B. Animals with beaks. C. Invertebrates with wings. D. Invertebrates with segmented legs. The correct answer is A. Vertebrates. What is the safe weekly limit for receiving radiation? A. 100 hour per week. B. 100 Mr. per week. C. 100 Mr. per month. D. 100 Mr. per day. The correct answer is B. 100 Mr. per week. What does the number 16 represent in the representation of an oxygen atom, 16O8? A. Number of electrons. B. Number of protons. C. Atomic number. D. Mass number. The correct answer is D. Mass number. Distances measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis are considered to be what? A. Negative. B. Constant. C. Zero. D. Positive. The correct answer is A. Negative. If an object's apparent weight decreases when immersed in a liquid, what force is primarily responsible for this change? A. Buoyant force. B. Frictional force. C. Magnetic force. D. Gravitational force. The correct answer is A. Buoyant force. What percentage of body fluid loss can be fatal? A. More than 20%. B. More than 10%. C. More than 5%. D. More than 1%. The correct answer is B. More than 10%. Which of the following is an example of a natural fiber mentioned in the text? A. Polyester. B. Silk. C. Nylon. D. Plastic. The correct answer is B. Silk. Besides light energy, what other form of energy can parabolic reflectors be used to collect or project? A. Heat energy. B. Sound energy. C. Electrical energy. D. Kinetic energy. The correct answer is A. Heat energy. What category of plant movement would include a flower opening in the morning and closing at night? A. Phototropism. B. Chemotropism. C. Nastic movement. D. Thermonasty. The correct answer is C. Nastic movement. What is formed when a group of organs works together to perform a particular function? A. A molecule. B. A tissue. C. An organ system. D. A cell. The correct answer is C. An organ system. What type of motion is described as back and forth, like a swing? A. Oscillatory. B. Circular. C. Rotational. D. Linear. The correct answer is A. Oscillatory. How did you score?